Hey guys, this is Matt with Grizzly-Outdoors. Just finished up a sheath for a Blackbird sk5. That's a left-handed with the Kryptek Typhoon. It's got the fire steel in the front and then also a Bic lighter holder. Did this one a little different. I stood it up on edge just to keep it so it wasn't so wide. Otherwise it sticks out another ½ inch or so. Got a thumb kind of finger pull out there so you can get a good grip on it. The fire steel at an angle, and tucked in here, pulls out. The thumb brake, milled slots on this one. This is all Kryptek Typhoon. Turned out really nice. Try to blend the colors in and the way you got the patterns, like the smaller pattern. It kind of naturally moves into a black spot and then switches to the larger pattern. I kind of tried to copy that, match the fire steel and stuff like that. So nice retention. This one turned out really good. I just like the way this Typhoon and this Kryptek looks, so I'm going to have a lot of these lately. But if you're interested in checking out some sheaths, check out Grizzly-Outdoors.com. Otherwise, we also have Facebook and Instagram. I post a lot of the pictures on there. There's actually more pictures on Instagram right now than the new website, so we're working on the photo gallery there. So once that's all done, I'll do another update video. But this has a leather belt loop. This is a buffalo leather belt loop. Nice and flexible, but yet really, really strong. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good afternoon.